What to plant in September? Planting in September is a good idea as it provides you with an earlier crop in spring, makes use of otherwise empty soil, and saves you time on spring planting. Plenty of vegetables and flowers can be sown or planted in the UK in September, including hardy annuals like pot marigold and love in a mist, which will bloom a couple of weeks earlier than those from a spring sowing. In the vegetable patch, crops like garlic and broad beans can be planted now, for earlier harvests the following spring and summer. Vegetables to plant in September. Spinach. Spinach can be sown now for pickings next spring. Sow direct in shallow drills, in well-prepared soil, or in pots. Cover with fleece or a low cloche from October onwards. Salad leaves. There's still time to sow salad crops to harvest in the coming weeks. Sow in a sheltered spot outdoors or grow in pots. Try mustard leaf, winter salad mixes, and mizuna. Winter lettuces such as winter density can be sown under glass. Broad beans. Sowing. Broad beans in autumn means plants can establish over winter and crop earlier the following spring. Cover plants with fleece during hard frosts or snow. Try broad bean Aqua Dulce Claudia, which does well from an autumn sowing. Peas. Like broad beans, hardy peas can be sown in September to overwinter and produce an early crop. Choose winter hardy varieties like Douce Provence or Meteor. Radish. Radishes mature in just a couple of weeks, so it's worth sowing a late batch of seeds now. The warm soil and mild conditions will ensure they mature in time for autumn salads. Turnip. Turnips are another fast-growing crop that can be sown on bare soil in September. They do best in cool, moist conditions. Harvest as golf ball-sized, baby veg in around 6 weeks. Perfect for the Christmas table. Onions. Planting onion sets in autumn means you will get an earlier crop the following year. Choose a variety that's ideal for autumn sowing, such as Troy or Radar. Garlic. Garlic can be planted from September. Plant cloves 2.5 cm deep and 25 cm apart in well-prepared, fertile soil. Shoots should appear before autumn and over winter, then put on fresh growth in spring.